In this video lesson, you'll discover how to make an illustration in watercolor using various painting techniques.
Lute Player, Watercolor by Vladimir London. This is the finished artwork I will have at the end of this video lesson. The backdrop for this illustration was inspired by the architecture of Venice. This wonderful city has so much to offer to fine artists, designers, and illustrators, and has endless examples of beautiful art and architecture. When the drawing is done, I can take off the tracing paper and prepare to paint. With a synthetic round brush, I will do the first imprimatura in light orange tint. I'm applying the paint on the paper using a plain saw wash. As you can see, I am preserving white watercolor paper by painting around the figure and also by carefully going along the white frame. I'm using 100% cotton paper, which has 300 GSM weight and will hold its shape quite well because I'm not planning to apply too much water on its surface. I'm applying this first layer of blue pigment using a gradated wash. This painting method, as suggested by its name, is good for achieving gradients of tones. It's time to paint the portrait. I will first do an underpainting in the light, warm tint, applying it on the paper with a round synthetic brush. When painting eyes in the portrait, there is one good tip you may use. It is better to depict eyelashes with one thick, dark line instead of painting separate eyelashes in multiple brush strokes. Depicting hands is no easier than painting portraits. With 27 bones in each hand and wrist, there are so many proportions you need to know to portray hands realistically. I won't be able to cover all this information in one video lesson about watercolor painting because, to explain human anatomy, I created not one, but 26 video lessons that are available in the Anatomy Masterclass online video course. Nevertheless, anatomy alone is not enough for painting recognizable and realistic portraits and human figures. To give you the figurative drawing skills, we created the Life Drawing Academy course. At the Life Drawing Academy, you will learn how to draw realistic figures and portraits from life, memory, and imagination, with the necessary knowledge of human body construction, proportions, and anatomy. There are 2 courses within the Life Drawing Academy. In the online course, you will watch 52 video lessons to learn the necessary know-how of portrait and figurative drawing. This course comes with a lifetime membership from the Academy tutors. This support includes critique of your artworks at no extra charge.